All right, so once you got the thing unboxed, by the way, notice all of the trash that this thing leaves behind. It's a bit of a problem with products in general these days, is all the garbage that they produce and pack them with. But more plastic right here. I am impressed by the bottle size of the cleaning solution though. They didn't have to, they were as generous with the bottle solution as they were with the plastic waste. So you then take off this little thing right here. More junk. Take the microphone. Take the handle. Snap it in. And that's it. You're done. Now you've got a Tineco S5 ready to go. So yeah, that was basically unboxing and assembling this thing. It's like one step to assemble. You got the little base here, and obviously the Tineco will snap into this for self-cleaning and charging. But anyway, the next video will be us reviewing the thing and seeing if this is an improved model over the S3 Floor 1 that we reviewed about a year or two ago. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll be back with the review video soon.